How to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So you have the ability to promptly transmit Bitcoin to any cash tag or another Lightning compatible wallet at no cost using Cash App. In order to transmit Bitcoin to any cash tag, also known as peer-to-peer P2P transaction, first of all, you have to go to the Cash App payment pad, switch from USD to BTC, input a minimum of $1 and click on Pay. Locate the cash tag, current phone number or email address of your recipient. Click on Pay. You also have the option to transmit Bitcoin using the Lightning or the Bitcoin network. Click on the Money tab on your Cash App home screen. Select the Bitcoin title. Click on the airplane icon. Choose Send Bitcoin. Input the amount and the recipient's cash tag or BTC address. Click on Next. Choose a speed and click on Confirm and Send. When you receive a Bitcoin gift, you have two options. Accept the Bitcoin. Upon accepting the gift, you can use the funds to purchase Bitcoin. If your identity has not been verified with the Cash App, you will need to do first. Once you have successfully received the Bitcoin, you have the flexibility to hold, sell, or withdraw it whenever you choose. The next thing you can do is decline the Bitcoin. If you decline the Bitcoin gift, the amount is added to your cash balance as USD instead of Bitcoin. It's important to note that Bitcoin gifts have a 3-week expiration period. Failure to choose either option will result in the gift expiring, with the funds reverting to the sender's cash balance in the USD. So this was all about how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.